Hey everyone, welcome back to the Talk Easy English podcast, the show where we help you speak real English in real-life situations. I'm Tony.
And I'm Mary. Today's topic is something every traveler needs: how to talk to a taxi driver in English.
Have you ever gotten into a taxi in a new country and suddenly you forget every English word you know?
Or maybe the driver says something super fast and you just smile and nod, hoping you end up in the right place?
Don't worry. In today's episode, we'll walk you through everything you need, from hailing a cab, giving directions, asking about price, and even what to do if there's a problem.
So if you've ever felt nervous in a taxi abroad, stick around. This episode will get you ready and confident.
Scene 2. Getting into the taxi.
All right, let's start with the basics. You're standing on the street, you see a taxi, and you want to get in. What do you say?
Here are a few easy phrases. Hi, can you take me to place? I need to go to place, please. Can you drive me to hotel name or street name?
Example time. Let's say you want to go to the Hilton Hotel. Hi, can you take me to the Hilton Hotel, please?
And remember, please goes a long way. Drivers appreciate politeness just like anyone else.
Scene 3. Clarifying the destination. Now, sometimes the driver might not know the place. You may hear, "Which Hilton? Do you know the address? Can you show me on the map?"
So be ready with, "It's near landmark. I have the address here. Then show your phone. Let me show you on Google Maps."
Pro tip. If the place name is difficult, just show it on your phone. That's totally normal.
Scene 4. Asking about the fare.
Next, let's talk about money. In some cities, taxis use meters. In others, you need to ask the price first.
Here are some useful phrases. How much will it be? Do you use the meter? Is it a fixed price?
Example. Excuse me, do you use the meter? Driver, yes. Okay, great, let's go.
Or, how much to the airport? Driver, $25. Sounds good.
Scene 5, while you're in the taxi.
Now, let's say you're in the car. You might want to confirm the route, ask for AC, or make small talk.
Some handy lines. Is this the fastest way? Can you turn on the air conditioning? Could you lower the window, please?
You can also chat if the driver is friendly. How long have you been driving taxis? Is traffic always this bad? Do you like this city?
And if you want quiet, it's okay to just say, "Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. Mind if I rest?"
Scene 6. Asking to stop or change route.
What if you want to stop early or change your mind?
Say, "Can we stop here?" Or, "Actually, can you take me to new place instead?" Or, "Let me out at the corner, please."
It's your ride. You can change the plan anytime. Just be clear and polite.
Scene 8. At the end of the ride.
When you arrive, here's what to say. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Here's cash. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a great day.
Let's do a full example.
How much? Driver, $15. Here's $20. Keep the change. Driver, thank you. Thanks. Have a good one.
Scene 8. What if there's a problem?
Okay, what if the driver takes a weird route or overcharges you?
Stay calm. Use these. "Excuse me, this is not the way I asked. Can you please turn on the meter? This price is too high. I'll only pay amount."
And if things feel unsafe, please stop the car. I want to get out now. And then exit and report it to your hotel or local taxi app.
Scene 9. Cultural tips.
Let's quickly go over tipping and etiquette.
Tony, in the U.S., tipping is expected around 10 to 15%.
In Europe, sometimes it's included, but you can round up.
Tony, in Asia, tipping is less common but still polite in tourist areas.
Tony, if you're not sure, just ask. Is tip included, or do people usually tip here?
Scene 10. Real dialogue practice.
Let's practice a full taxi dialogue. Ready? You be the learner, we'll be the driver and passenger.
Hi, can you take me to the Park Hotel?
Sure. Do you know the address?
Yes, it's 123 Main Street, near Central Park.
Got it. I'll use the GPS.
Do you use the meter?
Yes, no problem.
Thanks. Can I open the window a bit?
Of course.
Can you let me out at that corner?
Sure. That'll be $8.
Here's $10. Keep the change. Thanks.
Have a great day.
Scene 11. Useful vocabulary.
Let's review the key vocab.
Tony. Meter, the device that shows how much you pay. Fare, the cost of the ride. Route, the way you go. AC, air conditioning. GPS, map navigation system. Keep the change, driver can keep the extra money. Traffic, cars on the road.
Okay, that's a wrap on today's episode. You've just learned how to confidently talk to any taxi driver in English.
Next time you travel, you won't freeze up. You'll know exactly what to say, from "Can you take me to the airport?" to "Keep the change."
We hope you found this episode useful. If you did, make sure to follow, rate, and share this podcast with a friend.
And remember, every small conversation is a big step towards fluency.
Take it easy and talk easy.